If you are concerned about any toxic elements in your child's body, it's actually a very easy way to test. We used Dynalabs, and we actually did it last year around April. And what you do is you do a toxic 24-hour urine panel, and you do a toxic whole blood trace metal panel. And only Dynalabs actually has these all put together for you, and it's about $75 for each test, which is very affordable compared to Life Labs. So you can go to your doctor, pediatrician, whatever, and ask them for those specific tests. There's a code online. You take that code and they have to put it right on the requisition. You go to Dynalabs and they will run the test for you. Very simple. Our mistake, we didn't know about that test. So what we did is we wrote down all the elements of the trace metals that we wanted to look for in our son's blood test. And she wrote a requisition for each one individually. We went to Life Labs first, and they told us that if they were to test for everything individual, some of the trace metals that they had to do were $300 each or $500 each. It was a total of $1,500 for them to run even half of the ones that we had on our list. But the lady there happened to be amazing, and she suggested that we go to Dynalabs because they have the panel already created. And even though it cost us some money, it was a fraction of what we would have paid at Life Labs. So lesson learned, look for full panels already being offered by providers. I don't know in your area what they provide, but here they had them already set out for us.